To check your Twitter timeline in chronological order, follow these simple steps. First, open the Twitter app or website and log into your account. On the Twitter website, click on the More option on the left side of the screen and select Settings and Support. Then click on Settings. In the Settings menu, click on Appearance. Then toggle the switch next to Show the Best Tweets first to turn it off. This will display your tweets in chronological order. If you are using the Twitter app on your mobile device, tap on the 3 horizontal lines on the top left corner of the screen. Then tap on Settings and Support, and select Settings. Next, tap on Appearance. Then toggle the switch next to Show the Best Tweets first to turn it off. Alternatively, you can also swipe right from the home screen and tap on the list icon. Then select Timeline. By following these steps, you can easily view your Twitter timeline in chronological order, allowing you to see the most recent tweets from the accounts you follow without any algorithmic interference. Remember to turn off the Show the Best Tweets first option to ensure that your timeline remains in chronological order. It is also important to note that Twitter may occasionally prompt you to turn this option back on. So be sure to regularly check your settings to ensure that your timeline remains in chronological order. By taking control of your Twitter timeline, you can enhance your overall Twitter experience and stay up to date with the latest tweets from your favorite accounts.